Welcome to Nuansa Art, your go-to source for all things home design and interior ideas. Today, we are about to explore a home like no other, a small stone house tucked away in the heart of the forest. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds singing, the scent of pine trees in the air, and the calm energy of the natural world surrounding you. This stone house offers the ultimate connection to nature, blending rustic charm with modern functionality. If you love unique, sustainable living spaces and crave a deeper connection with the outdoors, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on this beautiful concept of living closer to nature. Let's dive into the world of the small stone house in the forest. When we think about a house that feels truly connected to nature, the first thing that comes to mind is the use of natural materials. The stone house in the forest perfectly embodies this philosophy. The structure is made of local stones, carefully selected to blend seamlessly with the forest surroundings. The rough, earthy texture of the stone brings a sense of solidity and permanence, while also reflecting the timeless beauty of nature. This material, known for its durability and low environmental impact, creates an environment where the boundaries between the indoors and outdoors seem to disappear. The stone exterior also helps regulate the temperature, keeping the home cool in summer and warm in winter, creating a cozy and energy-efficient living space. One of the key design principles of the small stone house is minimalist architecture. The layout is simple, focusing on functionality and comfort, rather than excess. Every space is designed with intention, ensuring that nothing is superfluous. The living areas are open and airy, with large windows that allow natural light to flood the rooms. The minimalist approach allows for a deeper appreciation of the surrounding forest, as the house does not compete with nature, but rather complements it. The interior spaces are organized to maximize both form and function, creating a peaceful, clutter-free environment that encourages relaxation and mindfulness. An open floor plan is a hallmark of this small stone house, allowing the interior to flow effortlessly with the surrounding forest. Without the constraints of walls separating the living areas, each space feels connected to the next, much like the natural environment outside. Large windows are strategically placed to frame breathtaking views of the forest, bringing the outdoors in. Whether you're in the kitchen, Lounging in the living room or resting in the bedroom, you can always feel the connection to the world outside. This layout promotes a sense of openness and freedom, making the house feel much larger than it really is. The role of natural light in the small stone house cannot be overstated. The design of this home maximizes natural light, with expansive windows and strategically placed skylights. During the day, sunlight pours in from all directions, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere that changes throughout the day as the light shifts. In the evenings, soft natural light from the surroundings, such as moonlight or the glow of a nearby fire, provides a serene ambience. The connection to nature is enhanced by the constant play of light and shadow within the home, allowing you to feel in tune with the rhythm of the earth as day turns into night. Living in a small stone house in the forest doesn't just mean connecting with nature aesthetically, also offers a chance to embrace sustainable living practices. This home is designed to be off-grid, relying on solar power for electricity and a rainwater collection system for water. These eco-friendly solutions minimize the impact of the house on the environment while also promoting self-sufficiency. The small size of the home also contributes to sustainability by reducing energy consumption and waste. By living in a space that respects and works with the natural world, you can create a lifestyle that has a positive impact on the planet. Living in a small stone house in the forest is not just about the physical space. It's about the mental and emotional connection to the land. The peaceful atmosphere of the forest encourages mindfulness and self-reflection. The sound of the wind rustling through the trees, the chirping of birds, and the gentle flow of a nearby stream create a soothing background to daily life. This tranquil environment fosters a sense of calm that can be difficult to find in more chaotic, fast-paced living situations. For those seeking a break from the noise and stress of modern life, This small stone house in the forest offers the perfect sanctuary to reconnect with oneself and the world around them. One of the most magical aspects of the small stone house is how it integrates outdoor living into the design. The home features large decks and terraces, which extend the living space into the forest. These outdoor areas are perfect for dining al fresco, practicing yoga, or simply soaking in the beauty of the surrounding nature. The natural materials used in the construction of the house flow seamlessly into the landscape, creating a sense of continuity between the indoors and outdoors. The proximity to nature allows you to enjoy the fresh air, listen to the sounds of the forest, and witness the changing seasons in a way that simply isn't possible in a more urban environment. While the house's exterior is robust and grounded in nature, the interior is designed to be a cozy and intimate retreat. The stone walls are complemented by warm wooden accents, plush textiles, and carefully chosen furniture that provides comfort without overwhelming the space. The goal is to create a sanctuary where you can relax and recharge. The layout encourages moments of solitude and reflection, with areas for quiet contemplation as well as spaces for gathering with loved ones. Every detail, from the selection of soft rugs to the placement of lighting, is chosen to make the interior feel like an extension of the natural world outside. The small stone house in the forest is more than just a home, it's a way of life. It offers the opportunity to live in harmony with nature, to embrace sustainable living, and to find peace and solace in a world that often feels overwhelming. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Nuansa Art for more home design inspiration, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on living in such a beautiful, natural setting. Would you consider a home like this for your own life? Let us know. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more design ideas that bring you closer to nature.